Still dripping. Even worse. Fuck you, Samsung. Shitsung. We had our washer blow up, and it was Samsung. We had our fucking thing, the convection fan, the big convection fan right there. The motor busted on it. So yeah, we had our washer blow up. We had that thing almost blow up because one of the burners, there was smoke coming out of the control panel here. We had our dryer blow up a couple times. We had our dryer squeaking, and now we have this. Like, what the fuck? And it's dripping bad. So guess what kind of dishwasher we're probably gonna get? Same as our fridge. LG. Like, what? That's coming apart. Things busted. Like, what the fuck? Piece of shit Samsung. Anyways, I'm just gonna drain it and forget about it. There we go. You can't see it in there. But, yep, we're gonna have to get a new dishwasher because this one is leaking, and if it's leaking, oh fuck. Oh shit, what about the basement? Fuck! It better not be fucking leaking in the basement, because if it is, we're fucked. Because it's right above here. You can hear it. Fuck. It better not be fucking leaking in here, that's for sure. Just gotta clean this camera, sorry. Watch out. So, yeah, it better not be fucking leaking in here. Shit! That's all we need, another fucking leak, but fix the, hole up there. That was for the toilet. Man, this fucking house, I swear, this house! What the fuck? So many problems. That, plus this. Fuck, man. That's from my mom's shower, but Friday, it was soft. Like, that's soft, man. Like, fuck. Then we've got that from the upstairs toilet. And now we've got that. Now, is that fucking thing new? It better not be. Oh my god, it is new! What the fuck? What is with these fucking leaks in the house? Is that just cold? No, that's wet. That's wet and cold. I swear to God, this fucking house. These builders don't know how to fucking build a house. Oh my God. Fuck. So many fucking problems in this goddamn house. It's bullshit. I don't know. Why? It's like they fucking built our house in a fucking rush. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave this open. Fuck it. What the fuck? Fuck Samsung. It's a piece of shit. And LG's better.